Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2020 Triumph Street Twin, and this is in matte ironstone. There's a beautiful color. Got a little bit of engine guards up here, nice and high though, so it does not affect your lean angle. This bike sounds really cool. I really don't know what to describe it as. It's just really interesting. You're gonna have to come check it out. It's chain driven. This seat is super comfortable and it doesn't get too hot even though it's black because it's really soft. This bike is really light, really fun to ride. We've got the Brembo brakes with ABS front and rear. Nice little wind kicker. Seating position, handlebars are really comfortable. It rides amazing. This is a 900, by the way. We've got the Bonneville 900 engine in here. And miles are nice and low. We're at 5,316. Again, 2020 Triumph Street Twin. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.